It's been a rough week. A rough month.
I've been on hiatus from vlogging this past few years. Life has been so tough for me that it has made me change the way I dress, how I talk, and how I move my feet away from the chaos of my world. The saddest, but also the best, is how I changed the way I live. And now that I'm back, what you'll see is a new version of myself, a more natural me. And I want you to be with me as I start my healing journey. This is Christine Parawan. Watch as I heal from everything.
For today's video, come with me. How did I still go on with my life even though I'm having a breakdown? And this is it. Facing my life with God. I know you're guiding me. Wait lang, mag-right lang. Ay, biglang sumingit. Biglang pumasok. Hindi nagpipipit. Nag-overtake sa kanan. Oh my God, guys. Please be responsible drivers. Ano ba naman yan? Life and death when you're driving. So please, drive responsibly. Habaan niyo ang patient niyo, lalo na pag nasa kalsada kayo. Be attentive. Having a mental breakdown while I live my life. I'm gonna be good. I don't know. Just come with me. See what will happen in my life. I don't think I can handle things anymore. Like, ginawa ko naman lahat eh. Kaya ko pa ba? Hindi ko alam. Kaya ko to. Kaya ko yan, nip-nip. Sinip-nip ka eh. Paano hindi ka kayanin? Ano ka ba naman, ate? Mahina ka. Doon ka sa far-farming. Far-farming. Alam niyo, nagbe-video ako para basta matangil up ka para taka, diba? So we're here at Talyer. Magkano po kaya yun?
Sagot ko sa ano? Sagot ko sa mga upay. Upay nyo lang lahat.
So now, we're going. Wait lang po ay, sige po. Thank you po.
Ang linis-linis nito.
Hi po. Hi ka sa vlog.
Hi! Buy lots now for only 4,800.
Yes.
Going to Quezon City.
Yes. Another lot. Yep. Time check, it's 5:35 p.m. in the afternoon. And I'm going home para kunin yung mga linen sa bahay. Para dalhin sa school. Yan, okay na yung, medyo okay na yung vibes ko, ate. Medyo kaya na to. I'll go na. I'm on my way to spa para dali ng mga linen. So, let's go. Ako, te, gawin mo sa akin yan. Te, gawin yun yung gawin mo sa akin. May kita ka dito sa vlog. Sige.
Sige. Ano? Anong gusto mo?
Natin yung mga babae sa loob.
Maya, gawin kita maya.
Sige, te.
Ay, hindi na ba ito? Vlog yan?
Hindi, video.
Magpa-vlog ka nga. Hi guys! Pumasali na po kayo. Hindi nakita sa Oo, hindi siya makikita.
Tignan niyo po to, meron po ditong babaylan.
Wow,
Ng ice eh. Sa ice. tayo likod. Ay, may cash inan doon? Diyan, try mo dyan. May cash inan. May papapagin ko kayo. Kakain tayo ng food ng karinderya. There she goes. Pili ko masisira to kagad. Ang dali niya lang ikabit. There she goes. Sabi mo upuan.
Pag-night market tayo. Sakay kami sa Santiago. Magbabalot. Wala na mamaya mga alas 10. Magbabalot. Kaya mag-street food. Kasi maraming bata doon eh. Bata nun!
Magna-night nagmanaan mo. Bulol. Magna-night market po kami. Kasyan laki? Ulaw. Nabati din. Ube po. Ay, may tubig sila. Parang kapon ka pa dyan. Alam kong pagod ka na. I know it's hard right now. I know you're tired, not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, deeply. Maybe you're breaking down in silence, holding the weight of everything together with nothing but sheer will. Pero kahit umiyak ka, kahit nagbe-breakdown ka na, look at you. You're still here. You're still fighting. Hindi mo kailangan maging okay araw-araw. Ang importante, you keep on going. Kahit mabagal, this moment doesn't define you. Your strength isn't being unbreakable. So breathe, wipe your tears, and take that next step. One day at a time. You made it this far. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Finally, I'm home.